Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will teach you how you can get rid of sign in to complete purchase on your iPhone and iPad. So let's start the video. To get rid of sign in to complete purchase, first open the settings application, then tap on your iCloud account. On your iCloud account, scroll down and tap on media and purchase. Here, tap on continue. Now your Apple ID will start signing in.